Ryan, send it.
Crushing it, dude. Look at it.
Nice
Dude.
slide pull.
Oh, come on, you got this.
You got it. Oh, you're weeding?
Oh.
Scraping it. All right, you want to try again? All right, brush it off and reset. Jeremy's going to take a picture of you doing it.
Get that foot in there. Awesome. You got this, bud. Yeah.
There you go. There you go.
Man, that's awesome.
Grab that crimper right above you, remember? Right up, right over that. There you go. Use your toes.
Come on, bud, you got this. I think that's the crux.
Nice!
Come on, get it. Yeah!
Yeah, good job. All right,
Nice
come on down.
job, Brian.
My name is Brian.